chocolate orange taste tester on the vlogs.
Take two. Sup guys, we are back and we have some chocolate orange to try because I did say earlier on my vlog that we are trying chocolate orange. Steve bought us the Dairy Milk chocolate orange to try, the bar version. So I bought a few other chocolates.
Okay.
So we're starting with the Dairy Milk orange bar.
Dairy Milk orange. And obviously, as you can see, both me and Kyra have, well, we have two of the same chocolate bars.
Apart from one.
Because the other one...
I'll explain it later.
Yeah.
Should we open these?
Yeah, we should.
I'll just fast forward anyway. That smells good.
Oh, it smells orangey. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I can't taste much orange, but it does smell orangey though. It is nice, don't get me wrong. It is really nice chocolate, but yeah.
I think it's because I'm used to the thin chocolate orange balance. This is more thick.
Yeah.
Right. Next, we have got the Galaxy Smooth Orange. It's new. We both never knew this even existed until now. Okay, that's like orange.
No. Let's hope and pray it tastes like orange. It just tastes like a normal Galaxy chocolate bar, doesn't it?
Does. They ripped us off.
How dare they? It says on the packet here, with intense orange.
Yeah.
There's nothing intense about it.
This is intense orange because it smells like orange and tastes like orange, but this, the Galaxy one, doesn't.
No.
Rip off.
I'll tell you what, this belongs on a TV show called Rip Off Britain.
Yeah.
I think it's by Drost, well, it's something Holland.
Yeah.
Drost Holland?
That's what they look like. They look like giant tablets.
Time to take my medication.
Good luck swallowing that. But that's what it looks like, guys.
Looks huge.
I smell dark chocolate for some reason.
It does look
Or is
like
it
dark.
just me?
It looks like dark chocolate, to be honest.
Yeah, that's dark chocolate for sure.
It's got this crunch to it as well.
It's kind of like those, I think it's Quality Street, the triangle ones.
Yeah.
That's orange, and it's got those crunchy bits of orange in it. Try Lindor.
Oh, my favourite brand. My favourite brand of chocolate, Lindor.
The orange Lindor.
There we go.
And you've had the truffles, you haven't had the chocolate bar.
I've never had the chocolate bar version. I've only had the truffles. So I'm quite interested to see.
I like the packaging. It's like when you get a package of chewing gum.
Yeah,
It comes
it's
in
got
like
that.
foldable part.
Yeah, it's got that premium feel to it with the packaging.
But it's not fragile.
It's not fragile. It's only chocolate.
Sorry.
Okay, I can definitely smell orange.
Don't let us down. Don't breathe.
Come on. Oh, it's really nice centre in the middle,
Yeah,
hasn't
it's
it?
creamy.
Yeah, that's what I thought as soon as I bit
Like you
into
got a thin layer of chocolate, and then the middle is kind of like filling.
it. I feel yeah, chocolate filling.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually.
Mmm.
Right, aero time.
Aero bubbly time.
Yeah. Aero chocolate orange. Feel the bubbly milk. I'm not a fan of Aero because it's like mousse, and I don't like mousse.
Okay. Oh.
Ooh,
okay. Now,
that's colourful.
yeah. This is colourful. Look at this, everyone.
Oh, yeah.
That's definitely orange, right there.
Okay, I know this is gonna sound weird, but it smells like the orange skin, not the actual orange inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
But, bro, that colour is beautiful. Different texture, it's so weird. You feel like it should be a crunch, but it isn't.
No.
Bubbles.
It's just bubbles.
It's almost if Terry's chocolate orange was to have bubbles inside.
Yeah.
That's literally how it feels.
Yeah.
Feel the bubbles melt. Well, certainly did.
Last one here this is halftime orange. By the way, you can get this in your local B&M store. So
and a variety of other
and a variety of other chocolates like this as well. So this is dark chocolate, and it's juiced to the max with refreshing orange jellies and salted pretzel straws. So,
Jesus, that's dark in there.
man, it's got orange, but it smells
petrol smell.
Yeah,
Petrol. That pretzel.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't taste like dark chocolate.
I don't know if it's because of the pretzel. I had to stutter them because it's like salty and it kind of like equally balances it.
Yeah.
But no, all in all, Aero has to be my first favourite.
Yeah.
Second has to be the Lindor. Thirdly has to be the Dairy Chocolate Orange. Fourthly will have to be the Halftime Orange. And then this would be
Orange Crisp. Yeah.
And
smooth.
I wouldn't count that one because it didn't taste like orange. So there you go, my order of what I like.
Shall I say my one?
Yeah.
Okay, so my first place would be the Lindor chocolate orange, and then in second it would be the Aero orange, because again I do agree with Kyra on this one.
We agree that we both put
We both different
first.
And then thirdly I would put the orange crisp. Yeah. And then fourthly I would say I'm going to say fourthly Dairy Milk Orange. Dairy Milk Orange.
Really?
And then, and lastly the halftime orange. It's a biscuit.
And chocolate is just chocolate.
And yeah, chocolate is just chocolate. So there we go. So that is our chocolate orange taste tester on the vlogs.
Can't believe we had a different opinion.
Yeah, I know. It's weird, isn't it? Because normally
I thought
we
you'd be
agree.
the same, yeah.
We normally agree
and
on
we both
the same
love chocolate
stuff.
orange. So
Yeah.
I thought,
Yeah.